once you collect all the fragments from the second hall, you'll be able to leave.
In theory.
But don't worry, this place isn't actually haunted.
Oh my gosh!
We will now begin splitting you all into teams.
I hope you're as excited as we are.
Let's have some fun today, shall we?